This is me, Janelle, and I am the representative of Group 7. I'm going to explain our own model of communication, and it's called the Unified Model. So, why did we call it the Unified Model? Well, we called it the Unified Model because the goal of our model is to have a better understanding and communicating in which both parties are giving their own personal perspectives and criticizing each opinions.
And this is how our model looks like.
There's a barrier that blocks their face-to-face communication because they are using cell phones to exchange messages. The cell phone creates the gap along with the environmental factors that are associated with other models of communication. Lack of physical contact affects the way we communicate to others because we cannot see their faces while we are exchanging messages using texting. We can't physically see how the other responds to a certain message, meaning once you send a message to someone, we can't see, feel, or hear the side effects to the receiver. In our model, there's three people, a sender and a two receiver. Both the receiver have the same experience to that something. The sender sends a text message, and both the receiver shares their opinion to each other, and then they both send the feedback to the sender. Here's an example for better understanding. Here, both the receiver are sharing their opinions about the topic. Now, both the receiver are sending their feedbacks to the sender. If you notice, they are using emojis. So, in our model of communication, we also incorporated factors involved with texting on the emotional side of communication through cell phone. For example, the emoji will create an emotional bridge that can describe our emotions to make up the block of physical sight in the message. It can be the bridge in the gap between the communicators. But of course, it's not as strong as the bridge we create in face-to-face communication. In conclusion, communication has many forms. Texting is one of the prominent way of communication, especially now. In group chats, we send messages to each other using cell phones or technology, creating a gap or barrier between the communicators. But texting will forever be a part of the way we communicate. Our model shows on how we mostly communicate to others in group chats or using texting, and that sometimes there's a person that might not have the same experience like everyone, but if everyone is sharing their feedback or opinion and also with the help of emojis, we can still understand each other.